moon's cold glow. Whispers crawl where the night winds blow. Ghouls and ghosts in a spectral row, dancing slow just below the window. Candles flicker, casting shapes so dark. Figures loom in the park, eyes gleaming like a phantom spark. Eerie whispers leave a mark. In the night we roam free, haunted dreams under twisted tree. Face the unknown and you'll see secrets lost where shadows flee. Footsteps echo on the cobblestone. Nightfall's cloak, we're not alone. Chill creeps into the bone. Haunted laughter set the tone. Wicked cackles in the midnight air. Chill breeze tussles my hair. On this night when the spirits dare, do you believe? Do you care? In the night we roam free, haunted dreams under twisted tree. Face the unknown and you'll see secrets lost where shadows flee.